When misleading content achieves outsized visibility, staying quiet would be irresponsible. Ladies and gentlemen, listeners, I want to be clear about why I produced this episode. I did single out a particular firm, and I did single out a particular individual, and I did that deliberately after much consideration and much thought. When someone markets himself as a leading authority and a pioneer in a niche area of law, and publishes voluminous content riddled with basic legal errors, and then dominates search results through very effective SEO and paid advertising, the risk isn't abstract. That content shapes how homeowners like you understand your rights. It frames the questions that you're going to ask and influences the paths that you're going to consider when disputes eventually arise. And when that framing is wrong, the consequences could be very serious. When misleading content achieves outsized visibility, staying quiet would be irresponsible. It was driven by the reality that sloppy or erroneous legal content, no matter how polished or well promoted, can distort decision-making in ways that harms homeowners long before an attorney-client relationship ever exists. Now, I focused on one individual because, in my opinion, his influence is substantial and, in my view, is unjustified based on the quality of the writings coming out from that person. It's about the difference between a practitioner and a promoter. Now, I use specific examples from one person to give you tools to evaluate credibility for yourself and to see through the gloss. But I wasn't intending to say that there's only one person that's guilty of doing this, okay? Now, in this area of law, credibility has to be earned through accuracy, experience, and performance. It can't be manufactured through marketing, spend, or volume publishing. Demand substance, demand precision, and do not confuse visibility on the internet with competence when your home and your rights are on the line.